Go. Hey guys, welcome back to R&R Integrative Wellness. We are going to be cooking some fish tacos tonight, so stay tuned.
Okay, we're gonna give you 3 seconds to go down below, like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1.
If that subscribe button's red, make it great. And I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and slap it!
We're going to be making Spanish rice, or our style of it. So I have rice in here with water, and you want to, if you don't have a rice cooker, you just want the water to be about to there, the first knuckle impression, right there, and you boil it for 5 minutes, and then you turn it off and you put a lid on it. But in the meantime as well, we put seasoning, taco seasoning in this rice and cook it together as well.
So you have your sour cream. And you're gonna add as much as you want. It depends on how much tacos you need, but I'm adding 3 scoops. You're gonna place that off to the side and have your salsa. If you're not big on salsa, you can add as much as you want, but I make it till it's like a pinky orange color, which I think I just added almost enough. It needs a little bit more. And sadly, we don't have hot sauce, but usually I put hot sauce in it. Then we add our jalapenos. I love spice, so I added a good bit of jalapenos and also some jalapeno juice. You're gonna add your garlic powder, your pepper, I got black pepper. Then you're gonna add a little bit of salt. And there's the sauce. So make sure you always have adult supervision if you're a kid. My mom's right behind the camera.
I'm here.
So first, I'm gonna cut peppers. And first, you need to cut off right here by the stem. And then you need to cut inside. Make sure you don't cut yourself up. And you just go like this. And then go like that. And then you need to get all the seeds out. It's okay if they're in there. I think we're gonna wash them. And then I'm done with that one. And then I'm gonna cut it after I do these. And make sure your hands are washed before you cook. Last one. This one didn't have a lot of seeds, so that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna cut them. So you need to cut it in a straight line. And then you put it together, and it's already cut. And you put it together, and you just cut it. And it's gonna be more slices if you do it like that.
Correct. Careful.
Yeah.
Yep, get started on that.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Now
Good.
put it down and yeah.
I just don't want to
Right.
Do one at a time. Yeah.
It's safer that way.
Okay, done. Almost done.
Wow, you cut that one pretty fast.
Because it was small.
It's slick on that side.
There. I'm gonna do like that. Hey, don't eat it. Okay, and now
They're
the
great
last
snacks too.
Yeah. They're good on salad. You can put it on salad and taco. Or you can put it on anything.
She's good at cutting.
So we have our fish.
And
I drained it because you don't want any of the extra fish juice on there. So I drained it and I have this pan on about 1.5 to 2 on low with the butter heated, and now it's ready for the fish to be put in. You're going to not flip these fish because they're so tender. And we're just gonna steam them pretty much. Just put about 5 to 6 pieces. You don't want to overload this skillet. Okay, so we have the fish. And I'm putting some sea salt. And some taco mix. Gluten-free taco mix. McCormick makes it gluten-free. You just let that cook for a little bit. And you do want to make sure that you scoop these over and not let them stick just one time before you cover it. And we're going to cook those for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to cover it. Okay, so the fish have been cooking for 2 minutes, and they're starting to turn white. First they'll turn like a little pinkish color, and then they'll be white all throughout and on the top. So they're almost done. There's still a little pink in there.
So you're gonna add some dill weed. You're gonna add some black pepper. So we've got our black pepper. And some Cajun seasoning, just a drop of this. It is really good. So you're gonna stir that up. Might put a little bit more of dill weed in it because we're kind of almost out. So. Then the peppers that Reese cut up earlier are gonna go in here. And it tastes really good in your taco. I'm gonna turn that on low just so it cooks really good. And how I said I love spicy stuff, we're gonna add some jalapenos. Because everything's better with jalapenos, literally. So, you're gonna stir that together and wait till all those chunks of cream cheese and wait till the peppers are a little less crunchy. And then you'll have your sauce.
okay, so guys, I'm gonna show y'all how to put the ingredients on the taco. You can put more. It's just I'm doing this for now. So we got tacos, soft tacos, and we make chips out of these if you want to. It's made out of corn, you always know. And you cut them in triangles, and you put oil, and then you can put salt at the beginning and after. I usually do both. And then you put it in the stove, and you can make like salsa and stuff. Like Riley did, she made cheese dip. And here's some cheese. And I got this lettuce. It's lettuce and then carrots and then purple cabbage. And then some sour cream. And I got this shredded. cut you, but this is the right way if it's bumpy. So I'm gonna get the cheese out. Let me do the whole cheese. Yes. Okay, so you hold it however you want, but you gotta scrape up. See, it's little shreds. So cute.
Good job, Reese.
And you gotta probably put a little pressure on it. I'll be back when I'm done. It disappeared. Okay, now we're done. And next,
So first, we're gonna be adding the sour cream.
and we got a plain base. And you get a knife, and you just scoop a little. You want a lot or a little? And you just spread it around. That's a lot.
That's perfect.
Okay, we just spread around the edges. Okay, I think we're done. Perfect. And we're gonna add fish. Count to 4. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's this one. Oh, no.
Yeah, they fall apart easy, but that's okay.
Yeah,
That
that means
means
that
they're
they're
cooked
soft.
well.
Yeah. And we put it right there. You usually add the ingredients like this.
Yeah, on the one side. You're
Yeah.
right.
We're gonna add cheese.
Yeah. And it's white cheese and Parmesan. Okay.
Time for the lettuce.
Yep. And, okay. You just need a little lettuce. And you can leave lettuce right there if you want to.
So we have our cilantro.
Yep.
And we're gonna get some because we love it on our tacos.
Yeah, you can put it in everywhere because we love cilantro.
I love fish tacos. They're so good.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good. And then, you want to?
We're gonna
Wait.
fold it up. They tear very easily, so you gotta be very careful.
You have to make sure they're warm when you're
But all that matters is yumminess.
making it.
Okay, let's taste test it.
Yeah.
You wanna taste test it?
You can be the taste tester.
Okay.
Here,
Let's see
make
how
sure
good
it
it
doesn't
is.
fall.
That's so good.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm. Oh my
I want to try some of the fish. That's so good.
Yeah.
Oh.